Hey, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert. Today I'm talking about AM and PM eye creams. Do you know the difference? Well, if you don't, stay tuned.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
So I know that there's a lot of confusion about what the difference is between things you do in the morning and things you do at night. And I talk a lot about the things that you should do in the morning and at night. So night cream and day cream, especially for the eyes, are kind of different. But I'm usually just happy if you're using something on your eyes morning and night, because quite frankly your eyes need something. But if you want to kind of level up your skincare, there is really a difference between the things you're using. So I'm going to talk to you today about the difference between a daytime and a nighttime kind of eye cream. So just like anything else you're doing to your skin has a morning routine and a night routine. Unless you're kind of a crazy person, you don't usually drink like a bunch of coffee at night if you're getting ready to go to bed. And you don't, wake up in the morning and maybe don't drink your coffee if you're a coffee drinker, because you're going to be like, oh, I'm a zombie, right? If you're like kind of a normal person, or like me, I don't drink coffee that much at all. I don't have a thyroid. But the thing is, your skin's the same way. It's used to certain things. It requires certain things because of its cellular structure. So there are products that are made for its morning time routines and its nighttime routines. The daytime is about protection. The nighttime is about repair and rejuvenation. The same thing is for your eyes, especially for your eyes, because it's a very delicate structure. So when you're looking for things for your eyes, you're looking for something for the daytime that's looking for protection and hydration. So it's much more basic. It's much easier on it. So you're looking for something that maybe has an SPF and a light moisturizer. Also, daytime eye creams tend to be a little bit cheaper. Now, mind you, all eye creams, the tech is still very expensive, because tech in eye cream is hard. It's a very hard product. Stuff to get into eyes is tough, guys. It's very hard to get stuff in the eyes because there are no pores in that area. The things at night, eye creams have to be much more expensive because we are putting in lots of good ingredients, because that is when the skin goes nom, 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 nom. It's when it eats and eats and it digests and it heals and it repairs and it does a lot of its processes. So the nighttime stuff is really, really, really important. So that's when if you're going to spend your money on something, you're really going to do your nighttime creams, because that nighttime eye cream is when you're really going to work on those lines, those wrinkles, those dark circles. That's really when you're going to invest in your product. That does not belittle your daytime care, but once again, you're going to level up a bit, okay? Now, if you're working outside all the day, you're a gym teacher, you're working at Disneyland, it's going to be very important that maybe you do protect during the day, because your eye is getting a lot of treatment, seeing a lot of sun. It's getting a lot of damage all the time, and you do need to protect it. So you do have to kind of weigh the consequences. As a skincare professional, these are all the things that I ask people. As a skin fitness expert, these are things that I ask people about their routines, and that I create their routines for them. And these are things that if you are yourself, your own professional, you need to be asking yourself when you're creating your own routines at home. So hopefully I've answered some questions about what's the difference between AM and PM eye care. And hopefully you found this video awesome. Please subscribe, thumb up, say hello to your friends by sending it off to them and saying I learned something amazing today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. If you found this useful, you might find my freemium useful as well. I have a freemium on the 7 tips that will keep your eye area healthy for years to come. So look forward to seeing you at that and seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.